Need help logging into Agency Analytics? Follow these steps and you'll be inside your dashboard in no time. Admins log in at app.agencyanalytics.com. Clients and staff log in through the agency's white-labeled custom URL. On the login page, sign in with Google or enter your email address and password. Then click Login. After logging in, you land directly in your Agency Analytics environment and jump straight into your work. If login fails, the most common issue comes from using the wrong URL. Clients and staff log in only through the custom white-labeled domain, not the admin login. If the password doesn't work, type it instead of pasting, or select Forgot Password to reset it. Still stuck? Open an incognito window, switch browsers, or clear your cache and cookies. If the issue continues, try disabling recently installed browser extensions, since some can still run in incognito and may block logins. And that's it, you're ready to start working inside Agency Analytics. For further assistance, reach out to our friendly support team. We're available 24/5 and happy to help.